Welcome to our KOAPRO Massage Tools tutorial for the lower legs. The calves and shins are muscle groups that often experience tightness, discomfort, and myofascial adhesions. Whether it's due to exercise, overuse, or other factors, these techniques can help you find relief and improve the health of your calves and shins. Before you begin, start by warming up your muscles with a few minutes of exercise or stretches. Then grab your KOAPRO massage tool and begin with a gentle massage on the calf muscles, paying particular attention to areas or trigger points where you feel sensitivity or discomfort. If you encounter any sensitive spots, ease up on the pressure and continue massaging the surrounding areas. Once the area has relaxed, gradually increase the pressure and continue massaging to release any myofascial adhesions. Remember to breathe deeply and stay relaxed during the massage. You can also use the KOAPRO end thumbs to apply gentle pressure on trigger points or tension areas. Next, use the smooth, flat edges of the KOAPRO Fascia Massage Tool to gently scrape along the lower legs in upward strokes, promoting circulation and reducing inflammation. You can try different leg positions and vary the angles of the KOAPRO tools to target different areas of the calves and shins. For best results, spend about 1 to 3 minutes on your lower legs every few days, adjusting the pressure and duration based on your comfort level. These techniques can be incorporated into your self-care routine to improve flexibility, reduce restriction, and promote overall myofascial health. Don't forget to explore our other KOAPRO tutorials for more techniques on other areas and muscle groups. Take control of your myofascial health with KOAPRO and enjoy the benefits of relaxed, flexible muscles.